Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Mondays. Ooh, Mondays. Today it is raining. Right now I'm going on my daily walk. Today we're doing 4 routes around my block. Trying to lose weight before the wedding. Now let's see. First challenge, Julia and Kelly? Yeah. Thank you guys, first of all, for doing the whole challenge thing. I was really getting tired of trying to make one up. Let's see. A weapon that's not usually used as a weapon, I would say... I don't want to be cliche here, because I've seen almost everything in a household be used as a weapon for, in those horror films and stuff. I'd probably say a potted plant, not the pot part, because that's cliche. The actual plant part. I'd hold it by the pot and go like this. Well, anyway. So that there goes for Kelly and Julia's challenge. And here's for my weekly thing. I worked a grand total of 3 days last week. I am on my last quarter tank of gas and have no money otherwise. I may have $13 in the bank after today because my car insurance comes out, but other than that, no money in the bank whatsoever. Kind of sucks. People start coming to pizza places. I mean, come on. Yes, I do enjoy staying there when it's pretty darn slow. But when it's slow, I have to go home. So start coming, people. I know, yes. It is extremely wet and rainy. My camera's actually getting pretty wet at this particular moment. Just dry you off there. Oh, jeez, it's only been 3 minutes. Sorry about that. Anyway. Let me try to think of other stuff. I got tipped the other day. I was busting tables, and somebody was like, "Look, you should get tipped because you have to deal with the obnoxiousness of people that that come in this kind of place." I'm like, oh, somebody knows. Very rarely does that ever happen, by the way, that I get tipped. But I'm usually a cook. I don't usually bust tables, but my bosses continually send people home when they shouldn't. And it turns out that we need them, and they disappear anyway. So, anyway, back on my soapbox. Money's kind of tight. I'm really tired of it. I'm really tired of scrubbing for money for gas and trying not to go places and see people because of the fact that I don't have any gas in my car. And I hate my car, by the way. I hate it because it's a piece of shit. I mean, not to mention that it's got a balloon head gasket. It's going to cost $1,500 to fix. Yeah, I know. This is life's wonders, but I'm just really fucking tired of it. I don't know. Hi, kitty. This is the most random video I've ever made. I actually had no agenda when I started making this video, except for the fact of the challenge, you know. But it's a whole new week. Less than a month away from my wedding. Believe me, I'm stressed about that. It's going to be interesting. I'll tell you that in the least. Oh man, I'm getting wet. But I still got a whole bunch of crap to do, and I'm really tired and stressed out and crap, and I don't know. It's going to be a long month. Hoping and praying to dear God that all of this goes well. You never know. But, anyway, YouTubers. Oh, the car staring at me. YouTubers, it's time for me to put y'all down. I'm trying not to get this thing too wet. Alright? Oh, and by the way, another soapbox. The weather. This is crazy. I'm really tired of fucking rain. No more rain, please. It was so nice all weekend, and then, BAM! Fucking rain. All day long. Why? You know, that's craziness. Alright, anyway. Peace out, YouTubers. See you next week.